Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use camera on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to use the Apple Watch camera, then there's a video. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The first you want to do to use your Apple Watch camera is you want to make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone appear together. It is important, otherwise you'll not be able to use the Apple Watch camera. So once your Apple Watch and iPhone are both paired together, now go to your Apple Watch and press the digital crown once to see the watch face. Now you want to scroll down the app menu to locate camera icon and then click on it. You say, I have the camera icon. Once you click on the camera icon on your Apple Watch, it's going to open the camera on your iPhone. You see that? Now what you need to do here is position your iPhone camera really well. So just toggle it around and focus the iPhone camera on whatever you want to use it to snap. Let's say I want to use the iPhone camera to snap myself. So position the iPhone camera to focus on myself, and then I'm going to see myself on my Apple Watch. You see that? So just whatever your iPhone camera focused on is going to show on the Apple Watch camera. Everything. Can you see that? So whatever you show on your iPhone will display on the Apple Watch camera. Now, to use the Apple Watch camera and take the photo, what you simply need to do is this. Go ahead and click on the shutter button on the screen. Then you should see the countdown. And then this is going to take the photo in form of a burst mode. But between you and I, it only takes the photo normally. Open camera again. And then go ahead and focus this on something else. Then take the photo. So after the shutter button ends, then if you come back to your iPhone, you should see whatever you took with the camera. You see that? Now if you want to access the photo on your Apple Watch, just come to the bottom left and then click on the photo you take. You see that? So you're going to have the same photo on both devices. This is the photo you took with the iPhone using the camera, and then this is the photo on your Apple Watch. So that is basically how to use camera on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.